In this video, I'm going to share with you what works and what doesn't work when it comes to affiliate marketing, so that you can avoid the common mistakes people make. Like most people, you're probably looking for ways to make more money online, and affiliate marketing seems like an excellent option. But before you dive in, I want to share with you what has and hasn't worked for me so that you can save yourself some time and money. Then we'll go through 7 different strategies to use with affiliate marketing, prime success stories, and what you can do to ensure success with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? By now, I'm confident that you've heard everything under the sun about what affiliate marketing is and what it isn't. You've been told that it's a great way to make money online, but you probably also have said that it's nothing more than a simple scam. So which is it? Is affiliate marketing a legit way to make money online, or is it a waste of time? The answer, quite simply, is that it depends. There are a lot of factors that go into whether or not affiliate marketing will work for you, and it is crucial to understand all of them before deciding whether or not to give it a try. So in this video, we'll look at some of the most important things to keep in mind when trying to make money with affiliate marketing, including affiliate marketing strategies, affiliate marketing success stories, and the steps you need to make sure that you are successful. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. There is no one right way to be an affiliate marketer, and what works for one person may not work for the other. The important thing is to find the strategy that works best for you and your niche. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Strategy number 1. Choose the right products to promote. The most important thing you can do when trying to make money with affiliate marketing is to choose the right products to promote. It is important to find products relative to your niche and that you believe in. For example, I cannot recommend using Jasper or Surfer SEO more if you're a freelance writer, because if you don't believe in the product, it will be tough to convince other people to buy it. For example, promoting Jasper.ai in the weight loss niche wouldn't make much sense because it is not relevant to the niche and it is not a product that people would be looking for. However, promoting a weight loss supplement in the weight loss niche would make a lot of sense because it is relevant to the niche and it is something that people would be actively searching for. Strategy number 2. Find a good affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks out there, and it is essential to find one that is reputable and that you feel comfortable working with. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include Digistore24 and ClickBank. It is also important to make sure that the affiliate network you choose has products relevant to your niche. Although affiliate marketers can utilize an affiliate network, plenty of other companies are more niche specific. For example, if you are in the freelance writing niche, you can promote Jasper.ai and Surfer SEO. Or if you want to help people make money on YouTube, you can promote Tube Mastery monetization. Finding the right affiliate network is all about trial and error when it comes down to it. You will have to test out a few different networks before finding the one that fits best for you and your niche. Strategy number 3. Create high quality content. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to create high quality edutainment that will help to sell the product you are promoting. This means creating helpful blog posts, videos, and graphics that explain what the product is and how it can help solve a problem for your audience. It is also important to make sure that your content is keyword optimized, so that people can find it when they are searching for information on the internet. Strategy number 4. Use social media to promote your content. No matter what you're selling, affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money. And these days, social media is one of the best platforms to promote your affiliate links. With a few simple steps, you can reach a large audience and start generating sales. Choose the social media platform that makes the most sense for your business. If you're selling visual products, Instagram and Pinterest are good options. For products that require more of an explanation, maybe Facebook or YouTube would be the best choice. Create engaging content that will get people interested in your product. Make sure to include your affiliate link in the post so people can click through and make a purchase. You can also opt to use paid advertising to reach an even wider audience. Remember to keep your ads relevant and targeted so you don't waste money on uninterested users. By promoting your affiliate links on social media, you can reach a large audience and start generating sales. Strategy number 5. Build relationships with bloggers and website owners. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, it's important to build relationships with other bloggers and website owners in your own niche. These relationships can come in guest blogging, commenting on other people's blog posts, and even collaborating on products or services. By building relationships with other bloggers and website owners, you'll be able to get your affiliate links in front of a larger audience and start generating sales. Strategy number 6. Participate in online and offline communities. Another great way to generate sales with affiliate marketing is to participate in online and offline communities related to your niche. There are many different online forums and groups you can join, a few of which are Tube Master and Monetization, Pictory, Freelance Fairy Marketplace, and Jasper. These are just a few of the online communities you can get involved in. There are many, many more. Suppose you participate in these forums and offer helpful advice and insights. In that case, people will begin to see that you are an expert in your field, increasing the likelihood of them purchasing products through your affiliate links. In addition to online communities, you can also get involved in offline communities related to your niche. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you can participate in local CrossFit competitions or attend fitness expos. By getting involved in these types of events, you'll be able to meet people face to face and build relationships with them. These people will be beneficial when it comes time to promote products through your affiliate links. Strategy number 7. Track your results and optimize your campaigns as needed. The final strategy for generating sales with affiliate marketing is to track your results and optimize your campaigns. By tracking your results, you'll see which methods are working and which ones aren't. This information will be valuable when it comes time to making changes to your campaign. There are a few different ways to track your results, including Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool that allows you to track your website traffic. You can then use this information to see how much traffic is coming to your affiliate links and which pages are generating the most sales. Affiliate marketing success stories. We've gone over some strategies you can use to generate sales with affiliate marketing. So let's take a look at a few affiliate marketing stories to get you motivated. These stories will give you an idea of what's possible if you put in the hard work and dedicate yourself to your affiliate marketing business. You are your success story. This spot is reserved for you and your success because the most significant thing that won't let you fail is yourself. Seriously, you've got this. And if you didn't pick up on that, affiliate marketing won't work for you if you don't get started. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate sales and grow your business. By using these strategies we've gone over in this post, you can start generating sales with affiliate marketing. Just remember to track your results and optimize your campaigns as needed to continue to grow your business. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the 5 things you need to know before you register your domain name.